Hello my friend, myself Satish Vanapalli. Thank you very much for watching this video. Here is my website pegaks.com where you can find interesting topics with step-by-step explanations. You can use this search feature to find articles and also you can view a random post by clicking on this random post icon. There is also a live chat available on my blog where you can directly chat with me. Most of the times I'll try to be online so that you can directly ask your questions via this live chat. And most importantly, sign up to my blog so that whenever I publish a new article, you will get notified via email. You can follow me on Facebook page facebook.com/pegaks and also do subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever a new video get published you will get a notification. Let's get started with the today's topic. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Pega CRM and sales automation in Pega Personal Edition 8.5. Here's the agenda. Installing Pega CRM, Customer Relationship Management and Sales Automation in Pega Personal Edition 8.5. Let's talk about the prerequisite. You have to install your Personal Edition 8.5. Login as an administrator. If you are not sure how to install and configure Pega Personal Edition on Windows operating system or Mac operating system, you can watch below videos on my YouTube channel. Step 1. Download Pega CRM application from My Digital Delivery. As Pega combined CRM jar files into a customer decision hub, so while requesting you have to request customer decision hub. Once you download this customer decision hub and extract the zip file where you can see the CRM jar files. I have already made a separate video on how to install this customer decision hub. You can watch that video that are already available on my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss only about installation and configure of CRM and sales automation. Import Pega CRM jar file from your standard import wizard. On the file information screen you can see the total number of instance count that are going to deploy on your Personal Edition. Let's import this Pega CRM jar file. Click on the configure, navigate to the application distribution import to launch the import wizard. Click on choose file to select the Pega CRM jar file. Once you selected the file, click next. On the file information screen where you can see the total number of instance count, proceed to next. You can see the following database connections are valid. Click next to proceed. Import complete to database from file Pega FW channel services. Click next. Import complete to database from file customer. Click next. So these are all the schema changes. You can leave as is default. Select the checkbox automatically run upgrade application schema when import is complete. Click next. Saving data to the database from file Pega CRM_schema.jar file. Once it's completed 100%, click next. Import aged updates. Click next. Once it is completed 100%, click done to close this wizard. Now follow the same steps to import Pega CRM patch jar file. Application distribution, import. Click on choose file. Select Pega CRM patch jar file. Now click on next. Click on next. Click on next. This is the schema changes. Click on next. Click on next. These are the list of applications that are impacted by installing this patch jar file. Click on next. Now the rules under Pega CRM patch jar files are being installed. Once it is completed 100%, click done to close this wizard. Now proceed to the step 3, verify application rules. From the left navigation record explorer, click on application definition and click on application. Verify the customer service 8.5 and also Pega sales automation Cosmos 8. Let's quickly verify. Navigate to your Designer Studio, click on records and expand the application definition, click on application. In the application landing page, you can verify customer service 8.5 and also Pega sales automation Cosmos 8. which means you have successfully installed Pega CRM and Pega Sales Automation on your Pega Personal Edition. Now proceed to the step 4, importing sample data. The Pega Customer Relationship Management distribution media includes sample data to help you to explore the default application capabilities. The sample data includes disabled sample operators that you can enable to learn about workspaces for each operator role. Import the following files in the sequence shown. Let's import this sample data. You can repeat the same steps to launch import wizard. Now click on choose file. Under sample DB directory, select Pega CRM sample underscore TDL. Click on open. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. These are the schema changes. Click on next. Click next. Import aged updates. Click on next. Once it is completed 100%, click done to close this wizard. Now repeat the same steps to import DML jar file. Click on next. Click next. Import aged updates. Click on next. Click on done to close this wizard. Click on done to close the wizard. Repeat the same steps again to import KM sample data. Navigate to KM sample directory and you can select KM sample jar file. Click on next. Import aged updates. Click on next. Click on done. Import the other jar file as well. Import SAKM sample jar file as well. It has 98 rows. Click on next. Click on done. Now you have imported all the sample data. Click on done to close the wizard. Now proceed to the step 5, enabling sample operator accounts. Let's see how to enable the sample operator. From configure menu, navigate to the organization and security. Navigate to the authentication. Click on operator access. You can see all the disabled operators under disabled operators section. You can select the operator by clicking on this checkbox. Click on enable selected. Do you want to enable the selected operator? Click on submit. Now the operator is enabled successfully. Click OK. So in the same way you can enable all the disabled operators. Once you log in with that operator, you can change his password if needed. This is how I installed Pega CRM and Sales Automation on my Pega Personal Edition. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a new Scratch application using this Pega CRM as a base application. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to contact admin@pegaks.com. We'll see you in the next video.